Nowadays, technology has reached many around the world, and with the rise of internet connectivity, every person has access to unlimited information. There are a billion informative websites on the internet. Few of them provide information about education and technology to help develop skills and competences in children and help them learning new and interesting things while they grow up. Today, we welcome you to a fresh new episode of Advanced Tech HD. In today's lineup, we have brought the 10 websites to make your children tech-savvy. Give this video a like and share your thoughts in the comments section below. It will trigger the algorithm and help us to reach more and more technology lovers like you. Before moving further, we would like to tell you that we bring the latest and innovative technologies and information about them in every episode of Advanced Tech HD. If you are watching this video on YouTube, please subscribe to our channel to support us, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss the latest video notifications. And if you are on Facebook, then like and follow us to boost our morale up. Number 1, NASA Kids Club. National Aeronautics and Space Administration is responsible for space-related activities such as space missions, space satellites, telescopes, etc. They have launched a website specifically for kids to teach them about astronomy, the work at NASA, and other space-related information. They want to motivate the new generation about space, planets, and the wonders of this universe. They also teach children about how to build a rocket, and how does it work. This is not the only thing they teach on this website, but there are other fun and learning activities children can do. Daily, fun stories consisting of real facts and figures about space are added with animated characters. They make comical stories so that children can enjoy and learn more about space. Number 2, Code.org. This website is built and backed by tech giants with the purpose of the learning of computer science concepts among children to make them well versed with technology and coding by the time they join colleges and universities. In some instances, this website has been included in the school education curriculum to teach the children coding and such concepts through fun activities and simple interfaces. It contains introductory lessons and courses on app development, Java, Python, and other programming languages as well. Instructors from all over the world have added their respective courses, and anyone can join the classes to learn. These courses are for kids as well as adults. Number 3, Wonderopolis. This is a website that contains lots of fun activities, videos, and stories to read for children about all topics such that it may increase the knowledge and skill level of the children. It is designed especially for children and uses symbols, interactive themes, and designs to attract the children towards itself and encourage them to learn from the website. It consists of the daily refreshing activity of Wonders of the Day, where more than 2,000 are there to teach the children about the wonders of the world. Number 4, Google Lit Trips. GLE Global EE has started this virtual field trip concept where kids, children, youngsters, and adults can pick trips online and experience all the journey virtually. The platform uses Google Earth and Google Maps for navigation and provide a virtual experience to roam the whole world and gives a unique experience to study and discover the wonders of the world and the universe. Its most amazing feature is that it is used during live classes in kindergarten where the children can be taken on virtual trips, with characters as a part of different stories. It makes teaching a wonderful experience. Number 5, BrainPOP. This is a website that has multiple features to teach children about different disciplines of life and science through interactive ways. In technology, it includes modules such as communications, computer science, digital citizenship, energy technology, science, industry, simple machines, transportation, creative coding, and much more. In science, it has modules such as energy, Earth system, forces of nature, space, and other scientific topics. Each module consists of different activities which consist of real-time modeling, interactive and creative thinking, games, quizzes, and fun ways to teach something to a child and make them familiar with the technology. Number 6. Learn Your Tables. This website is the best way for kids and children to make use of technology to learn mathematical tables. It includes an online system to generate tables and presents a keypad to enter the correct answer. There are two ways to solve this. Either a table is presented to answer it in a single table form, or questions are asked in a mixed format for the children who have good command. It also features a lot of languages which include English, Polish, Spanish, Dutch, French, Italian, German, and many others. Number 7. Gamestar Mechanic. This website is an interactive game to make the children capable to think of designing games in an environment where everything is present to design. It consists of such features which makes it possible to convert the game or thinking in the mind into a real game that can be played by self and shared with others having an account on the website. It is a self-paced experience that allows the children to develop the critical analysis and mindset to develop games and formulate such a story which will make it interesting as well as technological. Number 8. Tynker. It is a platform developed for the sole purpose of teaching children the basics of coding and programming languages. The world is shifting towards coding languages such as C, C++, Python, Java, etc. Tynker offers a unique environment where blocks are used for coding, and there are multiple activities and games which make the children learn coding and programming easily as they can grasp the main concepts. It is being integrated into school systems to teach programming with fun activities. Apart from games and activities, it also features programming lessons. Number 9. MIT App Inventor. This website is developed by graduates of MIT, which is specifically designed to allow children and kids to design their mobile applications easily with several available resources and a simple interface. Websites can be converted into an application, separate applications can be developed, other applications can be cloned with many other features. Applications such as games and fun activities can be easily designed with built-in features and modules. Another amazing feature of this website is that the projects, issues, errors, bugs, queries can be discussed on the website forums where people from the community will answer the questions. It also allows a feature to collaborate with other people on the same website, taking the project to the next level by directly discussing or pitching an idea with MIT. Number 10. Scratch. Scratch is another website developed by MIT to teach kids the basics of technology through computer programming and language coding by using illustrations and blocks. Interactive stories, games, and animations can be easily designed on this website with the help of given tutorials and hints. It also includes course lessons for newcomers and beginners to learn the basics to a certain level to allow the children to make their programs and games. Many projects are featured on the website along with content developed by other people so that everyone can visit and use it. So, this is the end of today's episode. If you enjoyed it, please like this video and comment down below which one you think is the best on the list. It will trigger the algorithm and help us to expand our reach to more and more technology lovers like you. You can also share this video with someone whom you think shall see this video. For now, we will sign off. We will come up with a new episode soon. And yeah, if you are watching this video on YouTube, please subscribe to us and press that bell icon to get the notification of our next video. And if you are on Facebook, please like and follow us to show us your love. Take care.